The wildest dreams of 30 years ago would never have conceived the multi-million-dollar highways now being built by Eidemiller Incorporated, a general contracting firm specializing in excavation and all types of road construction. Mr. Eidemiller founded the firm in 1925. A modern office houses the very capable staff needed to administer the many enterprises owned and operated by the Eidemiller family. Adjacent to the office is a complete maintenance and repair department. Highly skilled mechanics keep the equipment in top running condition. The storage yard consists of 28 acres. It's the site of a modern Eidemiller plant producing hot mix asphalt from sand and crushed stone. Asphalt sand is the result of washing the excess fines out of dust hauled in from the stone quarry. After separation and a thorough washing, the sand is stored up to 25,000 tons at a time. A rotary drill forms a hole 25 feet deep. Explosives are laid and the blast makes molehills out of mountains. A 2 cubic yard shovel loads the sand rock onto trucks. The rock will be shoulder material and used in today's highway construction. The heavy dump truck carries the sand rock to the Tellsmith crushing plant. This huge jaw crusher can handle 240 tons of rock per hour. The smaller rocks move on to the 48-inch secondary crusher. Specially designed shaker screens sort the material and send it ahead or back for more crushing, depending on its size. More than 75,000 tons of material has been produced at this location. A custom-built service truck brings compressed air, fuel, gasoline, grease, and oil right to the field. Many different types of earth movers are used in a site preparation. These Caterpillar DW21 scrapers are pushed by D9 dozers to build up an 18 cubic yard load. Other pieces of special equipment include scrapers capable of carrying up to 21 cubic yards of earth. This D8 is one of 15 types of Caterpillar tractors used by Eidemiller in earth-moving projects. The 657 Caterpillar scraper, one of the largest on the market. It has twin engines capable of developing a 960 horsepower thrust. With all of Eidemiller's equipment on a job, more than 50,000 cubic yards of earth can be moved in a single work day. For that really big load, this 5 cubic yard shovel, capable of loading a 10-foot square rock. Here it is being used in conjunction with a specially designed 35-ton haul pack truck. Now the compactors move in and pack the prepared surface. The Eidemiller quarry is located 13 miles southeast of Greensburg, in the heart of the Ligonier Bluestone Belt. A tractor-mounted drill drills a series of holes 90 feet deep. Explosives placed in the holes will blast the full depth of the quarry face. The blasted rock is loaded onto dumpers. Carried to the processing plant, the rock undergoes a series of crushings and screenings, reducing and separating it into different sizes. It's quality checked every step of the way. Separated into 9 different sizes, the crushed rock is hauled to storage piles. Accurately weighed, the stone is quickly loaded and shipped to customers throughout the area. A recent addition to the Eidemiller equipment used in highway construction is the Erie Strayer Central Mix Batch Plant. The fully automatic plant is composed of a series of 7 semi-trailers and can be erected in just 1 day. Moved right to the job location, the batch plant is loaded with properly treated sand and with 2 coarse aggregates. The mixture is then combined with cement, and 8 cubic yards of concrete can be produced every 90 seconds. 600 barrels of cement are stored in the watertight, upright silo, and they are lowered in just the exact amounts when needed. A glance at the slump control panel is all that is needed to assure the skilled operator that the equipment is producing the proper mixture. The mixing drum discharges its 8 cubic yard load into a concrete hauler truck. This truck is designed to carry the mix for 30 minutes if necessary. On its return to its berth, the drum will trigger a switch that will begin another complete processing cycle. This load of concrete is poured into a Maxon spreader and leveled to an 8-inch layer on a properly prepared subgrade base. Vibrators pack the concrete along the edges. A special mechanism permits 3-way dumping. A reinforcing wire is placed on top of the 8-inch primary layer, and then an additional 2 inches of concrete is poured, meeting exacting highway specifications. The finishing of the green concrete is done in both front to back and side to side directions, assuring a good riding surface. Different sized equipment is used as required by the width between the forms. Final texturing is accomplished by the burlap drag. All joints are edged by hand, another quality control by Eidemiller. The latest technique in curing concrete is an application of white membrane curing compound. A long-time dream of Adam Eidemiller materialized in 1960 with the founding of the Keystone Concrete Pipe Company. First, the reinforcing wire is rolled and formed to a specified size. Placed on a pallet, the inner core is positioned. Then the outer form. Moved to the turntable, the completed form is simultaneously filled with concrete and tamped. A ring is used to form the top, or tongue, as it's known in the trade. The ring, form, and inner core are then removed. Taken into the kiln, the outer form is disassembled. The top surfaces are finished by hand. Smaller pipe is produced by forcing the concrete into an outer form, eliminating the need for the inner core. Reinforcing wire is positioned inside the form, and then concrete is forced in through a nozzle designed to discharge just the required amount. In the kiln, all forms are removed, and the various products are steam cured 24 to 72 hours. Special fittings, elbows, and manholes are produced by hand, though some manholes are precast and then cured in the same manner. After leaving the kiln, all piping receives a minimum of 7 days aging in the open yard. Eidemiller's own trucks transport Keystone concrete pipe to jobs throughout Pennsylvania. Adam Eidemiller Incorporated built portions of the original Pennsylvania Turnpike, US 22 and 30, interstate highways surrounding Pittsburgh, the Penn Lincoln Parkway, Monroeville Bypass, Westinghouse site preparation, the parking lot at Robert Shaw in Greensburg, and many others. A family corporation, the Eidemillers plan future jobs ranging from simple asphalt drives to complex multi-lane highways. Mrs. Adam Eidemiller continues in her husband's footsteps, contributing to the firm's even greater growth, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.